Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I make my chicken adobo. It's definitely one of Dario's favorite dishes of mine. I'm not going to say that it's easy. It's kind of in between just because you have to babysit it a lot. So you have to constantly check on it and all that stuff, but it's definitely worth it because the end result is so bomb. Dario says that it's one of the best chicken adobos he's ever had, so just follow along. All right, let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so this part is optional. Dario loves boiled eggs in the adobo, so right now I'm just boiling a couple eggs. Don't mind this because one of the eggs actually exploded. But to get a perfect boiled egg, I boil them for 10 minutes and I put a timer right over here because I'm gonna be too busy doing everything else. And it can remind me and I won't overcook them. And I'll show you how to mix it into the adobo after it's all done. Okay, so I have the fire on medium heat and then we're gonna be putting a little bit of vegetable oil into the pan. So once the oil is warmed up, you're gonna grab the marinated chicken, which has been marinating for about an hour. And of course, the longer you marinate it, the more flavor it's gonna be. But I'm gonna be pan frying the chicken, and we're gonna start off with the big chicken legs first, because Dario, he bought like different sizes of chicken. Such a fail. And then after that we'll be pan frying the smaller chicken pieces. I turned up the heat a bit to a medium high, so we're just getting the outside of it cooked a bit. Give that a couple minutes and then we'll be adding the rest of the chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in the rest of the chicken. You see how small these are compared to these? Like, Dario is such a fail. Oh my gosh. Anyway. So I'm just gonna try to cook them as even as possible. Because like I said, these are all different sizes. Once that's been cooking for a while, you put the remaining marinade in here. After that, you are gonna be putting water in. I'm gonna be putting about maybe 1.5 cups. And then I'll maybe add some more depending, but we'll start off with that for now. Looks like the eggs are done. Okay, so the water is going in. So you turn it a little bit lower and then you're gonna let the chicken cook from the inside out. We're gonna check it again in 30 minutes. Also make sure to stir occasionally. That's very important. Ooh! Jesus. And be careful. I forgot about the onions, guys, so we're gonna throw in these onions as well. All right, so we'll be checking back on that in a bit. I also forgot to mention that after we put in the marinade in the water, you put it down to about a medium low. I think right now is the time to stir, so let's just check on our chicken. Yummy. And like I said, by stirring it, occasionally we'll cook it evenly. Sing it, baby. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, let's get back to stirring. She's so cute. Okay. Also, for the people that are going to be asking me, because I know you guys are going to be asking me, you can get these at your local Asian market. I don't know if all Asian markets are going to be the same, but they came in one pack. These are my go-tos when it comes to making adobo. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 30 minutes. Now, for the next step, we are going to be putting in the vinegar. I usually don't measure, but for the people that do measure, every 2 pounds of chicken, you can put about 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. And then I also taste as I go. Next is the bay leaves. I'm gonna be putting about 6 of them. Now mind you, these are not edible. These are just to add flavor. So be careful to not eat it.
Can't eat those?
No, you can't eat those, Dario. No, the hell you have not.
Why you leave them in there?
For the flavor.
You're not supposed to eat it after you
No.
You trying to kill me.
Next is sugar. I forgot to mention that I put sugar in. And I'm gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons. But like I said, it's everybody's preference. And then just make sure to stir. Let those additional flavors sink in.
Really?
Guys, it smells so good in here. I wish you guys can smell this. So now I'm gonna taste test to see if I need to add anything more, like water or vinegar or soy sauce or whatever. It tastes bomb. But I'm actually just gonna be adding some more vinegar, just a little bit more. I can't forget the eggs that I boiled earlier. Like I said, this is Dario's favorite. Every time I put boiled eggs in the adobo, he loves it. So, with your clean kamai, aka hand, you just put, or lay, okay, shut up, Sarah. Put the eggs on here. And try your best to stir it and not break the eggs. That's like mission impossible right there, but I mean, all you want to do is just basically dunk the eggs in so they can get some of that flavor from the broth. All right, so we're gonna taste it one more time. Just put a little bit more of the vinegar in it, so. Oh yeah, that tastes like adobo. So you're supposed to be putting peppercorns into the adobo, but I'm just gonna use some black pepper. I'm gonna get carpal tunnel for this.
Throw some trash. No way. Oh.
Oh, she dunked on you.
I wasn't ready.
Anyway, dinner is served. It looks amazing. Hashtag wifey goals, okay? How is it?
Best chicken adobo on this planet Earth. Whatever restaurant you suggest, I won't go.
Yeah. Don't it make you want to slap your Filipino mama?
Yep.
Oh, and y'all, she just got her her eyebrows retatted. Okay. It's extra dark. You gotta wait until it heals. Okay, girl. Eating it to the bone. You like it? Oh.
I'm sorry, my back, you saw my fart. Girl! How you take my egg? You take my food.
You're just helping yourself, girl?
I'm gonna find a kid. I'm gonna find my chicken adobo. Here.
It's good. My food's almost gone. It's too good. Dang, girl. Just eating scraps like we don't feed you. Here. Here, baby.
I can't go high. My plate. You should took my part.
You really are a Filipino child, huh? Here.
Oh, gosh.
So good. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe and let me know if you guys tried it. It is pretty easy. I would actually say it's pretty moderate because you always have to tend to it. You have to take care of it. You always have to keep a close eye on it. But other than that, it's definitely worth it. Obviously, the whole family loves it, especially the hubby. Is it good?
No.
I swear you always be trying to play me.
No.
Is it good?
No.
Is Mama's cooking good?
No.
You have to say yes.
No.
Well, give me my bone back then.
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoy the video and let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, say bye. Die. Ooh, you so mean. Okay, go. Woo.